Here we are up on the pier. A windy day. Surf's running pretty good. Lots of people here. Yeah. Birds are flying. There's the remains of whatever from the old part. Here we go. Just make this a nice video to check it out. If you come down to North Padre Island, Corpus Christi. I live over in Rockport, Texas. So for me to get here was about an hour, and I came across on the ferry into Port Aransas and made it up here in about an hour. The ferry was a piece of cake. I was the second truck on the ferry, so it was easy to go through. So this over here is what they use for the big crane to put all this all together. They're gonna tear all of this stuff down, so it'll be eventually gone. But there's a lot of people here. I didn't bring my stuff to go fishing here today. I just wanted to come and check it out, see what we got. Let's see what's happening. There's people out here fishing, that's for sure. But this is a good fishing area along the coast area. Good for surf fishing. And I understand it's really good for pier fishing. And this pier was up before. So, the same water area. Same fish come through here. So it should be pretty interesting. We'll just keep it up. Yeah, we got guys fishing right between the two piers, if you will. The new pier and then the pier that they made for building it. So we'll just keep going out here. Let's see what they got. See if anybody's catching anything. Yeah. Going.
This light's closer up.
That guy's got his big surf rod. It's a little big for up here, I would say. But anyway. People having fun. Let's see what's going on. We'll make our way all the way out to the end of the pier. And it's a pretty good walk, so it's good exercise. Oh, looks like somebody's got something. Let's see what we got up here. Yeah, somebody's got something on here. Let's see if we can get in on the action and watch what's going on.
Right?
Here we go. You got a fish on?
Trying to figure out if you. I would have picked up something really heavy.
Let's see what we got coming up. Keep it going. Get down on the water. It's got a big bend on the rod, that's for sure. Just keep it going as long as we can. He's reeling. My goodness. Somebody else has got something, looks like, too. Just keep going. Ah, look at that. There's a nice red fish down there. I'll go down there and look at that one first.
I got one. I don't know if that's luck or unluck.
You don't know? No, it's a piece of rebar.
It's a piece of rebar. Well, a big piece of rebar. We got a fish down here. Oh yeah, look at that. That's what we're talking about. That is right at the limit, I'm sure. Oh, there's the one down there. Yeah, nice fish. All right. Well, I'm definitely going to be back here. There's no doubt about it. So this is good. This is what it's all about. Never estimate an old man. It got that fish. You got it, brother. You got it. You're on YouTube now, man. You and your fish. All right. Look at that. That's definitely a keeper there.
That's a keeper.
You'll be eating good tonight.
You want me to help you? Yeah, go ahead. Okay.
Okay, this is getting pretty exciting. What have we got?
She's stuck.
Right here.
Ah, got some shrimp. Whoops. We'll just keep walking around. Now we got another one right here. Boy, this is good opening day. Yeah, look at that. This is another fish that'll be on YouTube. You'll be there. What do you use? Oh, you got fish bites?
Yeah,
Is that the only thing?
fish bites, bro.
That's it. No shrimp, just the fish bites.
Sand flea fish bites.
Oh, sand flea. Oh, don't tell anyone. Okay. Don't. It'll be on YouTube, but I won't tell anybody.
It's just the sand flea.
That's
I'm
it.
telling you, it's just sand flea.
That's it.
That's the perfect red.
All right. We're having some fun out here today. So we'll just keep going until we get to the end and see what else we find out here. Yeah, it's a beautiful day. There's a guy out there, a kayak out there. I don't know if he's having much fun, but where is he? There he is. Yeah, paddling around. Paddling around. Here we go. Got the dogs. Yeah, this is a great day. This is a lot of fun. Seeing people just enjoying. You know, that's what I'm Going Fishing 21-3 is about. It's about enjoying life. You know, we can go fishing, but you know, as I say, you got to cast to that right side and see how God wants to bless you in it. You know, Richard Gene, the fishing machine, says fishing is good for you. Yes, it's good for you. And those guys had some blessings back there with those nice redfish. So it's just a blessing being out here, enjoying, seeing what's going on. People are catching, people are enjoying. So just keep going, get to the end, see what they're catching off the end. Who knows? This is beautiful. I'll turn around and kind of give you a shot to the backside. Go along the coast here. Yeah. Throwback. Here we go. Coming out at the end, the far end. See what's out here. See if the far extension is as good as the closer to inshore. I think maybe these guys are prepping up for tonight. Yeah, they're going out here. We got all sorts of stuff. You can tell that they're going for a little bit more than just redfish.
I'm shocked they brought the 4 rods in the back.
Yeah. These are the more heavy duty dudes looking for shark out here probably tonight.
Yeah, it's a 4 rod limit.
Yeah, here we go. Well, we'll make the
Yeah.
circle around.
For me, it's
Oh, what does this guy got over here? Has he got a fish? Or just reeling it in? Nope. Hell, looks like a good time is had by all. That's what it's all about. Well, I think we're going to close this down. Just look down. Just make a swing around out here on the end. Oh, we got a guy over here that might have something. What's he got? All right, what do you got there?
Right.
Oh, he's a nice guy.
Yeah, it's a low one.
No, I catch him littler than that. I catch him this big. That's a good one. That one you could take that home and eat it if you want.
Yeah, not very good.
I talked to a guy. He said his mom she made fish tacos out of them.
Oh, dang.
But have a good time. You know, fishing is good for you.
Oh yeah, it is.
And I'm old enough to tell you that just keep at it.
Right?
Okay, we're closing it down. Oh, we got a bite here? Maybe a bite. Hard to close it down when so much stuff is going on. But we're going to bring it to a close right here. This is Douglas Allen Frazier with I'm Going Fishing 21-3. We're out on the new Bob Hall Pier with hundreds of people out here enjoying a beautiful, beautiful day. And I'll be back here and do some fishing. There is no doubt about it. So come back with me. Join in with the fun with I'm Going Fishing 21-3.